Police conduct a traffic stop on a blue Fiat after a laser clocks the vehicle, traveling 79 miles per hour in a 45 zone.
Hi. No, yeah. I didn't expect to get pulled over. Like, literally, I had my driver's license and, like, everything. Like, no.
Where are you coming from?
The beach.
Okay.
Yeah. Well.
Do you know how fast you were going?
No, I was literally turning from the bridge, so I wasn't.
Okay. Well, you're going
fast.
You're going 79 on a 45. That's what my laser clocked you at.
I couldn't have because.
Yes, you could have.
No, because I carry my son's seizure medication, and I couldn't have. So no, there's no way.
What does that have to do with?
I couldn't have been going that fast. No.
Where are you
because
headed
his dad just texted me and was like, "Oh my God, I legit think that he might be having a seizure right now." And like,
okay, where is he right now?
In Sebastian. Like, literally, like, if I was going that fast, it couldn't have been that fast because, like, we just called you guys, like, literally last week on Wednesday when he had a seizure.
All right, go ahead and turn your car off for me.
I couldn't have been going that fast.
Step out of the car for me.
I couldn't have been going that fast.
Please step out of the car for me.
Well, I'm trying to find I have so much receipts. I'm trying to find my license. Like, there's no way possible. Because, like, he's alert, I'm alert. Like, there's no way that, like, we could have been, like,
all right.
No.
Go ahead and step out of the car for me.
For what?
Because I said so. Step out of the car for me.
Because you said so.
Step out of the car for me. Now.
I'm not, like... For what?
Because I need to talk to you, okay?
But you're talking.
I'm trying to understand what's happening. What you're talking about.
I'm under stress right now, and like my baby daddy is telling me that like my son's not fucking. Like I could show you the texts, and I'm literally trying to go, and like
I understand.
Like,
listen to me.
I don't understand because I'm trying to.
I get it. I get it.
No, you don't get it because like I'm literally like.
Wait, are you able to call your baby daddy? Call him now for me so I can speak to him.
I'm under a lot of stress. My mom told me to.
Her story's not adding up.
Okay. My story's not adding up about what? That was last week, yes. You told me that I was going 70. I was going 70 down a bridge. How was I going 70 down a bridge when you can only go a specific speed limit?
Okay.
Are you
Can we talk to him?
Paul. I go by Tina. I have on my social security and my birth certificate.
All right, Tina, I'm going to have you step out of the car for me, okay? Let's try to figure this all out for you.
How? Like,
because I'm trying to contact...
You told me...
Ma'am.
Your discovery said...
Ma'am, listen.
Your discovery said that I was going 70 down the bridge.
You're not listening. You need to step out of the vehicle.
No.
This officer is asking you to step out of the vehicle.
She already mentioned that I was going 70 down.
Step out of the vehicle.
No.
Okay.
I want to speak to your fucking... No, I want to speak to your...
Do you think you signal one?
I think so.
Okay. Ma'am, this officer is asking you that you're required to comply with this officer's request. All right? And if you don't, she could arrest you.
She already stated that I was going 70.
You're going 79 in a 45.
I was not going... There is no possible... Like, are you kidding me?
Ma'am, you need to hang up the phone and step out of the vehicle right now. Ma'am, you need to hang up the phone and step out of the vehicle right now.
I want to speak to your... No. Oh, okay.
We're going to do this one way or the other.
No, okay, no.
Get out of the vehicle.
I want to speak to your fucking general manager. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now?
Get out of the vehicle.
No. Are you kidding me right now? This is all on Discovery. I have complied.
Can you get it?
I have complied. Why are you touching me?
That's it.
Why are you touching me?
At this point.
This is a lawsuit.
Can you go on the other side?
This is a lawsuit. Why are you touching me? Why are you touching me? No, dude, why are you touching me? You're touching me because of what? Because of what? You're touching me. This is all on Discovery. Why are you touching me? Why are you touching touching me. You're touching me because of what?
All right.
Why are you touching me? I haven't done anything. Why are you touching me?
Get out of the car.
No, why are you touching me? Why are you touching me?
Get out of the car.
Holy
Turn around. Turn around.
So you just whacked my head against the fucking concrete?
Move your hand.
Dude, I can't wait to fucking shoot you.
What'd you just say? You can't wait to shoot me?
Shoot you. Shoot you.
Move your hand.
You just fucking... I can't wait to fucking see you.
The suspect was charged with DUI and resisting without violence. On July 2nd, she pled guilty to a reduced charge of reckless driving, and the resisting without violence charge was dropped.
All right.
With your knees, get up.
No, I'm not here. No. I want... No. No. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. I want to see your fucking superior. Really? This is all on Discovery.
You got it?
Really? Really? Yeah. I do, because you guys are going to be in a lawsuit.
On the other side.
You're going to lose your fucking job. Both of you.
Okay.
Both of you. No, because my legs are fucking fucked up. You're going to, like, this is all on Discovery.
Right.
I haven't done
Let me see
shit. I haven't done shit, bitch. I haven't done shit.
Where is it? You got it?
I haven't done shit. Don't worry. It's all on Discovery. Your fucking body cams. So what are you gonna do now? Because I can't wait until I talk to my goddamn lawyer.
Tina, I'm talking to you. I'm gonna ask you a question, okay?
Cool. Do you want a bag of chips? Do you want a cookie?
No, I'm not hungry.
I really don't care.
All right. Well, you show signs. You
Let
show.
me tell you, I won't speak to you until I have my fucking lawyer present. Okay?
All right. Well, don't speak to me. You can listen to me though.
Don't talk to me until my lawyer is present.
All right. Well, you show signs of impairment. Would you be willing to do the standardized field sobriety exercise?
Don't speak to me until my lawyer.
Okay, I'll take that as a no. I'll take that as a no. You will still be charged with.
She received 12 months of random testing probation, as well as 50 hours of community service. On June 10th, 2025, her probation was modified, where she was able to pay $400 in lieu of finishing her remaining 40 hours of community service. Under Pennsylvania versus Mimms, a lawfully stopped driver can be ordered out of the vehicle without any explanation. Refusing that order is a criminal offense. Under Florida Statute 843.02, the time to dispute. A speed reading is in court, not through a car window. A speeding ticket handled calmly would have been a fine and a court date. The same ticket handled this way became over a year of consequences. As for the officers, we give the primary officer a B+ patient, methodical, and appropriately escalated. The secondary officer gets an A- controlled and measured throughout. As for the driver, the exit order was lawful, the speed was documented, and every charge that followed came from choices made after the car was stopped. For more real police encounters and legal breakdowns, don't forget to subscribe and join the channel for exclusive content.